In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if your Bluetooth is not working or connecting on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the right side, select additional troubleshooters. Underneath find and fix other problems, you want to select Bluetooth and then run the troubleshooter for that. Proceed with the on-screen wizard here. Make sure your devices are discoverable on your network, so make sure they're connected to your Wi-Fi. And then just proceed with this utility, and then hopefully your issues should be resolved by the end of it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.